Hi, and welcome to the instructional video from McCutchen Firearms on the MP adapter. This will show you how to install the MP adapter on your Magpul PRS stock. This applies to the Magpul precision rifle stock, Generation 2, along with the Pachmayr large field pad and the Pachmayr decelerator pads. Your Magpul precision rifle stock, Gen 2. Got a Pachmayr pad, either the decelerator pad or the large field pad, which is what this one is. Got your McCutchen Firearms MP adapter. 2 screws to come with the adapter. Got a razor blade. You can also use a box cutter, X-Acto knife. You can even do it without a blade, but you get a little nicer result with the blade. Got a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 1/8 Allen wrench. So the first thing we're going to do, using our 1/8" Allen wrench, is take the existing pad off of the stock. These 2 Allen screws right here. You're going to want to set these aside and keep them because we're going to use those. We're going to reuse those screws. And you just need to pry this pad off to kind of get an edge started, and it pops out. This you can get rid of. And you're going to take your McCutchen Firearms adapter plate, and you're going to fit it up right here. You can see the pocket here and this little raised section here. They go together. So we're going to reuse those same screws we just took out of the other pad down in these big counter bores. You'll want to get these nice and tight, nice and snug. Okay. Now we've got the adapter plate on. The next step is taking the Pachmayr pad. We're going to use our large Allen wrench, and we're going to push up through these 2 holes with our Allen wrench, so that you can see the pad bulge. Okay? You can kind of see this one's already been cut, but you'll see it kind of bulging out. That's where you know you'll want to cut. So if you kind of push on it a little bit, use your razor blade and make a very slight cut there. You do the same thing in the other hole. Slight cut. Okay, now you know where your screws need to go. Hopefully if you make a very small incision, you won't even see it. Like I said, this has been used a couple times, so you're kind of seeing the little hole there. But you're going to take the screws that came with the kit. You're going to push them down through that slot that you just made. Okay? You got it like that. Take your Allen wrench. You're going to push it all the way through these holes on the back side. You're going to do that on both of them. Just like that. See how they're sticking out? No sign there. Then you're going to take it and you're going to line up threaded holes in the adapter plate. Then you're going to put your Allen wrench through that little slit until you feel it engage on the head of the screw. And then you want to get it started. Make sure you don't cross thread it. tighten those down. Once you get it tight, go ahead and back it off a quarter turn. Do the same thing on the other one. Because there's a little bit of play in the mounting location of the pad. So then you can really get it lined up right where you want it. And then tighten those down. That's all there is to it. Now you've got your large field pad, really sharp looking adapter plate, and your precision rifle stock. Thanks for watching.